As you can see, the fence here is bowing to one side. It's because the gust of wind that came about recently, which caused the problem. So you'll notice there's a lot of gap there. Two sides off somewhere, so I've got to undo all those, get all the rubbish out. Take this panel off as well, all the way here. You can see on there, there's some screws that I've got to take off quite easily, and then we can start digging. There's a post that's stuck in there. If I could get this out, I might be able to put the other post straight back in, and that might solve my problem. So that's another way of doing it. Instead of taking the whole concrete out, I might be able to slot it back right into this one. So my next attempt would be to take the post out first. The plan is to see if I can somehow squeeze the air out from there. It will be quite deep, and grab it like this. Okay, now I've got the crowbar one side, my hand on the other. I'm going to ruin my drill piece, but here it comes. Here it comes. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yay! The right way. I'm going to see if I can get this one in there. I doubt I will be able to. Panel, the old panel, it goes back into its place. Now, as I said, it's a temporary measure until I do a proper fencing later. All I need to do is make sure on the other side the panel here is broken. On the other side I've got to replace that, and that's about it.